Just unboxed your shiny new iPhone? Don't hit next too fast because setting it up wrong now could haunt you later. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. From Face ID to data transfer, here's your ultimate crash course to get your iPhone ready in a flash without missing a single must-have feature. First, power it up and pick your language and text size from small, medium, or large because readability is everything. Accessibility fans, don't skip this screen. VoiceOver and Zoom are ready to help. Next, Quick Start is your best friend if you have another iPhone nearby. Just hold the old phone close and your new device copies all settings and preferences automatically. No old phone? No problem. Manual setup works too. Wi-Fi is next. You can't skip this or your iPhone won't activate. Got a SIM card or eSIM? Keep it handy, especially if your carrier needs activation during setup. Then comes the fun part, Face ID. Follow the on-screen instructions, move your head in a circle, and boom, instant phone unlocking and Apple Pay ready. Don't forget a 6-digit passcode as a backup because security first. Now transfer your old data. Quick Start, iCloud, computer backup, or even Android via move to iOS will work. Keep devices close and give it time. A full backup could take a while. Finally, hit all the optional features like Siri, automatic updates, screen time, light dark mode, and data preferences. Skip or set them now. Follow these steps and your new iPhone will be set up perfectly, ready to impress. Protect your data and make daily life smoother than ever. Was this guide helpful? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.